This video quickly walks you through on how to add text on photos or pictures you have in your iPhone. Let's just get right into it.
Okay, the first step you need to take is to tap on the Photos app of your iPhone. Okay, as the Photos app opens, the next step is to tap on the picture that you want to add text on. All right, as the picture opens, just as you can see my picture here, tap the option to edit. All right. On tapping on the edit command, you will see these tools at the top and those at the bottom part. All right. So tap on the pencil-like icon at the top right. Okay. Then this tool shows some commands at the top and some at the bottom. All right. But our interest here is on adding of text. So tap on the plus sign at the bottom right. Then this provides us with some options. Tap on add text. Then you can tap inside the text box with the text. All right, so with the text letters. All right, so tap inside the text box. Then you can double tap again. Then start typing what you want to have inside. So let's say this man. Okay, when you're done typing what you want to have inside, you can place your finger on the text box and then drag it to any new position of your choice. All right, so you can double tap to highlight or do anything further you want to do in the text. Okay, let me just drag this to this side. Okay, so you can tap on the text icon to edit the text further. Okay, so here I can make it bold. All right, I can align towards the right or left or justify. So anyhow you want to do it, but let's just stop here. So I will tap out. All right, once you tap out, tap on the done button at the top right for everything to be saved. And now we have a new picture, so but you still need to tap on the done button again. And we are good. So this is how you can add text in a picture or photo you have in your iPhone.
If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. Alright? And leave a comment too. If this does not solve the problem that brought you here and is iPhone related, feel free to tell me that in the comment section. I may have solution to the problem. Alright? To watch more on how to complete more important tasks on iPhone, consider checking on this video. Thank you and see you some other time.